So guys, exciting time at Romi Machines, 2 new recruits. John, if I can start with you, tell us a little about yourself.
Well, I've been involved in machining ever since I'd left college at the age of 16 as a machinist for about 10 years, and then moved into production engineering before taking on my first major sales role about 13 years ago.
And David, yourself?
I've been in the industry for many years now, involved in the cutting tool industry and also the machine tool industry. What attracts me to Romi is they're pretty new to the UK, the last 4 or 5 years, really starting to make a presence now and to get out there with the customer base and show them what technology we've got and what we can do as a company.
And John, what makes you most excited?
Predominantly the sort of level of technology you can acquire for such a good price, to be fair. Huge stock levels in the UK, something I'm not exactly used to. And as I said, just the level of technology available for such a good price.
And David, you, any particular machine that stands out?
To me personally, I like the 5-axis machines. There's two there. There's the 3+2 plus the simultaneous 5-axis machine, which has got a great market because the aerospace industry is totally buoyant, and it's just a great product range. You can have the teacher lathes there, or you can have driven tools on machines. Absolutely fantastic.
There you are, gents. Well, good luck, more expansion for Romi, and I wish you well for the rest of the year.
Lovely. Thank you,
Thanks very much.